Alright, this is a test on JB Weld applied to rubber. So I've got the blinkers right here. This is super droopy. It's been getting worse, but I'm gonna try to seal it up on the top with some JB Weld. I conveniently have the perfect height piece of wood right here that's gonna hold it in place overnight. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some on this side too. You might be able to see there's a crack forming. The same thing's gonna happen to this. These tail lights, just on the trails and everything, they flop around a lot. So just trying to seal it up. We're gonna see how JB Weld does for rubber. So just like normal, get your equal parts, squirt them onto a little piece of cardboard, something you can throw away, and mix it up. So the rubber repair held up pretty well. I mean, all this right here is solid, so it's definitely not gonna come out. I'm wondering now, I did not put any line right here in this groove, but that's the only spot it's gonna be bouncing now. So hopefully that doesn't rip, but it did its job and it's holding on, and that's what I needed to do just until I can get some replacements. So the light's good, solid right there. I also put a little bit on this side, and it's solid here too. But it's less of a glue and more of a solid piece right here. So this right here is all solid. There's no flexing right there. It's all flexing here and here now. This gap right here, no flex in there. So it did its job, and it'll hold on for hopefully a few thousand more miles, and I'm gonna test ride it this afternoon and make sure it works well.